I have in my hand the Dado trunking internal bend. So you can see anyway, this is the front profile of it, what you'd see externally, and this is how it clips onto the Dado trunking itself, okay? So you can see there's total 4 clips here and 4 clips. So a typical application of it, I'll just show here. So this is available with low-cost shipping option, and it's designed for use, we'll say with the trunking we have. All the accessories are from Pemco, and that's an Irish designed and manufactured trunking company, okay? So what we have here, we'll say, is we have a total of 4 ridges here that we're going to clip onto. So I can just lower this on here now. Probably won't be able to see this because of the length of the trunking, I can't exactly clip it, but we'll just see it just clips on extremely easily. Clip, 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 and now we have it. So if we can imagine, we'll say we have our trunking here and we want to run it off at a 90-degree angle here. So what here is called an internal bend because it's a 90 rather than a 270-degree turn, and what it does is it just lets us run up directly in that direction. So overall the design and build quality is extremely good. It's part of a much wider range of accessories we have with the other trunking. So we have external bends, we have end caps, we have T-junctions, etc. So what people will find is that the data trunking itself we have is extremely competitive, but we're even more competitive when it comes to the accessories, simply because that's normally an area where people have huge markups, because often the accessories here can be proprietary, designed for use for a particular type of data trunking, things like that. Now, it would be possible, if you want to do it cheap and cheerful, to use the data trunking and not bother with bends like this. But the thing about it is, it just prevents you having a very neat finish. And generally, people do want to have neat finishes, particularly if it's in an office complex, something like that. So now that we've added on all the accessories, we have a very, very comprehensive range. And certainly the trunking element for us has been hugely successful, simply because we've now a huge range of trunking with all the accessories. And it just means we've provided a one-stop shop. The deal that we have with our courier company is the trunking, even though it's 3 meters long, we can still offer it with low cost shipping directly to our customers, so you can order it, have it delivered next day, and it's really allowed us to get a great foothold into the trunking and accessories market. So that's it anyway, an overview of the Dado trunking internal bend available on freetv.ie.